Okay, so these are going to be all the products and tools that you're going to be needing to do the eyebrow growth serum. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on what products you will need to achieve fast growing brows and leave them thick and healthy. First thing you're going to be needing is a small container to mix and store your serum in. Make sure it has no leftover residue of any past products that was in the container before. Here I'm just going to be using a small Tarte container that had some moisturizer in it, but it's completely clean. Next, you're going to be needing the most important ingredient in the mixture, which is the castor oil. Since castor oil is known to enhance the growth of hair, I'm using the Shea Moisture one, but any will do the job. Next is the vitamin E oil. This is in capsule form, but any vitamin E oil is perfectly fine. You will also be needing some coconut oil. This is solid form, which I just microwave until melted, but I suggest using the coconut oil that is already in liquid forms. This one is the Nature's Bounty organic coconut oil. Now this step you can skip since it's not necessary, but I do add some hair growing oil to the mixture that I use for my head hair, just because I feel like it works better. You can completely stop at the coconut oil if you want to, it's completely up to you. And last but not least, some Q-tips and a clean mascara wand. Okay, to start off, you're going to be adding some of the castor oil, and I completely eyeballed this, but I'm just adding 1/4 of everything into the little container. So we're just starting off with the castor oil, and like I said, just try adding 1/4 because I didn't really know how much I added. So now we're just gonna be adding the hair growth oil that was in the pink bottle, and like I said, just 1/4 of this. And this contains flaxseed oil, so that's really great for promoting hair growth as well. Next step of the video, I'm going to be using the Nature's Made vitamin E oil. These are in capsules, but this is a little trick. So what I like to do is I like to keep a little tack at the very top of the bottle. So every single time I need to use one of the little capsules, I can just puncture it, and then the vitamin E oil just seeps out. And sometimes you do have to puncture it a few times because it is a little hard to get all of the oil out just in one go. But no biggie. But like I said again before, like the coconut oil, I just recommend using regular vitamin E oil that's already in liquid form. So that's basically what I do to take out the vitamin E oil from each capsule. I also sometimes put this on my face. I use the same method, and it works just as fine. It really helps with any acne scars on your face, and it's really good. It leaves a really glowing, healthy look on your skin. Actually, I'm going to be adding 2 of these. So there's goes the second one into the little mixture. Now for the last ingredient that we're going to be adding, it is the organic coconut oil. Now I'm just going to be showing you how much you're going to be needing, and like I said, just eyeball everything really. It's not that big of a deal. I'm just going to be mixing it up, and then once it's mixed up, I'm just going to add it to the little container, and then from there we will mix all of the ingredients together so you will have the eyebrow serum. Now the coconut oil is being added into the little container. This part can get a little messy, but it can be cleaned up, don't worry. So just mix, mix, mix. Mix all of it until it's all dissolved. You don't want none of the little coconut oil pieces to be, chunky in it or anything like that. So just make sure you mix it. You can also microwave it. I did before, but it fell, so I just decided just to mix it in. I didn't want to go back to the kitchen and microwave another little batch. So just mix it in until it's all dissolved. And that is what our eyebrow serum is looking like, guys. So this should be your final result here. There are some little air bubbles or whatever, but that's basically what it should look like. Then you want to take a clean mascara wand. You can get these from Ulta or Sephora, or I'm pretty sure you can even buy them on Amazon or something like that if they come in a few packs. So just make sure this is very, very coated, and then you can apply that to your eyebrows. Okay guys, so this is what your eyebrows should be looking like covered in the serum. The best way to apply this is just coating them up and down just to make sure every single strand is completely saturated and coated with the oil. The actual motivation and reason why I did this video is because I did go to thread my eyebrows today and I really didn't like how they ended up looking. So I decided to go ahead and grow them out, and I did this little oil, and I think it's the absolute best way to go ahead and want to grow out your eyebrows and you want them thicker. This is the best treatment that you can do for your eyebrows. If you guys like this video and you want to see more, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope all of you guys are happy and healthy. Thanks.